Imagine a cavern so vast it could comfortably house an entire New York City block, complete with its towering skyscrapers. This is not a flight of fancy. This is Son Doong Cave in Vietnam. It is a subterranean world of truly epic proportions. Hidden deep within the Phong Nha Ke Bang National Park, Son Doong holds the title of the largest known cave passage on Earth. Its sheer size is difficult to comprehend. It is a place where human perspective is dwarfed by the raw power of nature. This incredible natural wonder remained unknown to the wider world for so long. The name Son Doong itself translates from Vietnamese as Mountain River Cave. This name hints at its origins and the immense forces that shaped it. For millions of years, a powerful underground river carved through the limestone. It slowly, patiently sculpted this colossal void beneath the mountains. The scale is breathtaking. Think of a Boeing 747 airplane. It could fly through some sections of Son Doong without its wingtips even brushing the walls. This gives you a small idea of the colossal space hidden from the sun. It is a world waiting to be understood. The existence of such a place challenges our understanding of what lies beneath the surface of our planet. It is a testament to the Earth's geological artistry. Here, natural processes have worked on a grand scale, unseen and undisturbed for millennia. The cave is not just a single enormous chamber, it is a complex network of passages, vast caverns and unique geological formations. Each turn reveals a new spectacle, each echo tells a story of ancient times. This is a truly special place. Son Doong is more than just a big cave. It is a complete, self-contained world. It possesses features so extraordinary they seem to belong to another planet. We will explore its hidden rainforest. We will marvel at its unique weather system. The discovery of Son Doong opened a new chapter in our exploration of the natural world. It reminds us that even in the 21st century, our planet still holds profound secrets. Secrets that are waiting patiently to be revealed, respected, and protected for all time. The story of Son Doong's discovery is as remarkable as the cave itself. It was not found by a team of international scientists, at least not initially. Instead, a local man named Ho Khan stumbled upon its entrance in 1990. He was seeking shelter from a passing storm while foraging in the dense jungle of the national park. He noticed wind and a distinct sound of rushing water emanating from a limestone cliff. This was a peculiar observation in the quiet of the forest. He had no idea then of the true magnitude of his find. Mr. Khan reported his discovery, but the exact location was soon forgotten. The dense, unforgiving jungle terrain made it difficult to retrace his steps. For nearly 2 decades, the entrance to the world's largest cave remained lost to memory. It became something of a local legend, a whisper among the trees. The sheer difficulty of navigating the remote mountainous region kept its secrets safe. Nature itself was guarding this incredible place. It seemed as if the cave was not yet ready to reveal its wonders to the world. It was not until 2009 that Ho Khan, driven by his own curiosity and the encouragement of others, managed to relocate the elusive entrance. This time he was guiding a team of British cavers from the British Cave Research Association. Led by Howard Limbert, these experienced explorers were specifically searching for new caves in the Phong Nha Ke Bang area. Mr. Khan's memory and jungle expertise proved invaluable. He led them back to that same limestone cliff where the wind still whistled and the river still roared from within. The initial descent into Son Doong was challenging. The explorers had to navigate a steep 80-meter drop using ropes and harnesses. What they found inside surpassed all their expectations. They were met with a passage of colossal dimensions. It was clear almost immediately that this was no ordinary cave. The explorers were astounded by the sheer scale and the untouched beauty within. Ho Khan's accidental discovery had finally led to the unveiling of one of Earth's greatest natural wonders. A new world had been opened. To truly appreciate Son Doong, one must try to grasp its extraordinary dimensions. The main passage is over 5 kilometers long. In many places it reaches a staggering 200 meters in height and 150 meters in width. These are numbers. But what do they mean? Imagine fitting a 40-story building inside the cave. In Son Doong, this is possible in several sections. The volume of the cave is estimated at around 38.5 million cubic meters. This is truly a giant among caves. These vast dimensions create a sense of awe unlike any other. Sunlight, where it penetrates through collapsed sections of the ceiling, illuminates colossal chambers. These chambers are so large, they feel like open valleys rather than enclosed spaces. The sheer scale can be disorienting. Human figures appear tiny, almost insignificant against the backdrop of towering rock formations and immense walls. It is a humbling experience. It reminds us of the immense power of geological processes unfolding over millions of years. The explorers who first surveyed Son Doong used advanced laser measuring technology. This helped them to accurately map its incredible size. Before Son Doong, Deer Cave in Malaysia held the record for the world's largest cave passage. Son Doong surpassed this by a significant margin. It redefined what we thought was possible for subterranean spaces. Its discovery sent ripples of excitement through the global caving and scientific communities. A new benchmark had been set for natural grandeur. Venturing through Son Doong is not like a casual walk in an ordinary cave. It is an expedition. It requires navigating enormous boulders, crossing underground rivers, and sometimes climbing steep inclines. The very air feels different, ancient and vast. The echoes travel for what seems like an eternity. Every footstep lands on ground that few, if any, have trod before. This immense scale is one of the defining features of Son Doong. It is what makes it a true titan of the underworld, a cathedral sculpted by nature. One of Son Doong's most astonishing features is its very own underground rainforest. This remarkable ecosystem thrives in areas where the cave ceiling has collapsed. These collapses, known as dolines, act like giant skylights. They allow precious sunlight to penetrate deep into the cave. Where this light touches the cave floor, life has taken hold. A lush, vibrant jungle has sprung up hundreds of meters below the surface of the earth. This is a truly magical sight. It is a world within a world. This subterranean jungle is so extensive it has been nicknamed the Garden of Eden by the explorers. The name is a playful nod to the biblical Garden of Eden. It reflects the pristine, untouched nature of this unique environment. Trees here can reach heights of over 30 meters. Ferns, palms, and other plant species create a dense green canopy. This is a startling contrast to the surrounding darkness and bare rock of the cave. It is a splash of vibrant life in the heart of the stone. The existence of this jungle is dependent on the two massive dolines. These openings are crucial for more than just light. They also allow for the circulation of air and the entry of water and seeds from the surface. This has enabled a complex ecosystem to develop in isolation. The plants here have adapted to the unique conditions of the cave environment. They benefit from the constant humidity and the nutrients washed in from above. It is a perfect example of nature's adaptability and resilience. Walking through the Garden of Eden is a surreal experience. One moment you are in the cool, dim expanse of a colossal cave passage. The next, you are surrounded by the sights and sounds of a tropical jungle. Monkeys and flying foxes have been observed in these sections. They enter through the dolines from the jungle far above. This underground forest is a testament to the power of life to find a way, even in the most unexpected of places. It is one of Son Doong's greatest treasures. Beyond its immense size and hidden jungle, Son Doong possesses another truly remarkable feature. It has its own localized weather system. This is a direct consequence of its colossal dimensions and the presence of the dolines. The sheer volume of air within the cave, combined with temperature differences and moisture, allows for the formation of clouds. Yes, clouds, deep underground. These ethereal formations drift slowly through the upper reaches of the largest chambers. It is an almost unbelievable sight. These cave clouds are often seen near the two dolines. Here, the cooler air from the cave meets the warmer, more humid air entering from the jungle above. This interaction causes condensation, leading to the formation of mist and clouds. These clouds can fill the vast spaces, creating an otherworldly atmosphere. They add to the sense of Son Doong being a separate, self-contained world. Imagine looking up inside a cave and seeing clouds obscuring the distant ceiling. It is a truly unique phenomenon. The presence of this internal weather system also influences the cave's humidity and temperature. The environment within Son Doong remains relatively stable. However, the areas near the dolines experience more dynamic conditions. The air currents, driven by temperature gradients and the chimney effect of the dolines, can be quite noticeable. Sometimes a cool breeze can be felt deep within the cave. This indicates the complex atmospheric processes at play within this subterranean giant. This unique microclimate contributes to the overall character of Son Doong. It is not a static, unchanging environment. It is a dynamic system with its own rhythms and patterns. The formation of clouds is a visible manifestation of these internal processes. It highlights the cave's ability to create and sustain its own unique conditions. This is a further testament to the sheer scale of Son Doong. Only a cave of such monumental proportions could generate its own weather. It is a world unlike any other. Section 6. A realm apart, the unique ecosystem within. Son Doong Cave is not just a geological marvel. It is also a sanctuary for a unique and largely unexplored ecosystem. The darkness, constant humidity, and isolated nature of the cave have fostered the evolution of specialized life forms. Many of these creatures are perfectly adapted to life without sunlight. They rely on other senses, such as touch and smell, to navigate and find food. Scientists are still in the early stages of cataloging the biodiversity within this vast subterranean world. Each expedition potentially reveals a new species. Deep within the cave, away from the light of the dough lines, life takes on different forms. Here, you might find translucent fish navigating the underground rivers. These fish have lost their pigmentation, and in some cases their eyes, as these are unnecessary in perpetual darkness. Insects, spiders, and crustaceans found here are often endemic, meaning that they exist nowhere else on Earth. They are part of a delicate food web that has developed over millennia, sustained by nutrients washed in from the surface or by bat guano. The Garden of Eden sections, with their access to sunlight, support a different array of life. As mentioned, monkeys and birds venture into these areas. This creates an interesting overlap between the surface world and the deep cave environment. The plant life in these sunlit zones provides food and habitat for various insects and other small creatures. This, in turn, supports larger predators. The interaction between these different zones within the cave makes its ecosystem particularly complex and fascinating to study. Understanding and protecting this fragile ecosystem is of paramount importance. The life within Son Doong has evolved in isolation for a very long time. It is highly vulnerable to changes in its environment. Even small disturbances can have significant impacts. The limited number of visitors allowed into the cave each year is a crucial measure to help preserve this unique biological heritage. Son Doong is a living laboratory. It offers invaluable insights into how life can adapt and thrive in extreme conditions. It is a precious natural laboratory. Section 7. Guarding the Giant. Why Son Doong remains pristine. One of the most remarkable aspects of Son Doong, considering its global significance, is its largely untouched condition. This pristine state is due to a combination of factors. Firstly, its relatively recent discovery by the outside world in 2009 meant it was spared from earlier, less regulated forms of exploration or exploitation. For centuries it lay hidden, its entrance known only briefly to a local man, its vastness a secret held by the jungle itself. This late unveiling was a blessing for its preservation. Secondly, the sheer difficulty of accessing Son Doong plays a crucial role in its protection. Reaching the cave entrance requires a multi-day trek through dense, remote jungle terrain. This journey is arduous and not for the faint-hearted. Once at the entrance, a challenging 80-meter descent is required. This natural barrier limits the number of people who can physically reach, let alone enter, the cave. It acts as a formidable gatekeeper, ensuring that only well-prepared and authorized individuals can venture within its depth. Crucially, the Vietnamese government and local authorities have recognized the immense value of Son Doong. They have implemented strict regulations regarding access. Currently, only one specialist tour operator is permitted to take a very limited number of tourists into the cave each year. These tours are expensive and operate under stringent environmental guidelines. The focus is on minimizing human impact, preserving the cave's delicate ecosystem, and ensuring its wonders remain for future generations. This responsible approach is commendable. This careful management aims to prevent the kind of damage that has unfortunately befallen other popular natural sites around the world. Over-tourism can lead to pollution, erosion, and disturbance of wildlife. By contrast, Son Doong's current management strategy prioritizes conservation over mass tourism. This ensures that the cave remains a largely pristine wilderness. It is a testament to what can be achieved when discovery is paired with a strong commitment to preservation. The giant is being guarded well. Section 8. A jewel of our planet Son Doong's global significance. Son Doong Cave is far more than just Vietnam's treasure. It is a jewel of our entire planet. Its status as the world's largest known cave passage gives it immense geological importance. It provides scientists with an unparalleled opportunity to study cave formation processes on a colossal scale. The unique geological features found within, such as towering stalagmites up to 70 meters high and rare cave pearls, offer clues about Earth's ancient climate and geological history. It is a natural archive holding secrets of past ages. The cave's unique ecosystem, with its underground rainforest and specialized cave-adapted species, is of significant biological interest. It is a hotspot of biodiversity. Many of the species found here are likely new to science and endemic to Son Doong. Studying these organisms can provide insights into evolutionary processes and adaptation to extreme environments. The preservation of this unique gene pool is vital. It contributes to the overall biodiversity of our planet, a richness we are only beginning to fully appreciate. Furthermore, Son Doong inspires awe and wonder on a global scale. Photographs and footage from within its vast chambers have captivated people around the world. It reminds us of the raw beauty and power of the natural world. In an age where much of our planet has been explored and mapped, the existence of such a colossal hidden realm is truly astonishing. It fuels our curiosity and our desire to understand the Earth's many wonders. It stands as a symbol of the wild, untamed places that still exist. Its inclusion within the UNESCO World Heritage Site of Phong Nha, Kei Bang National Park, further underscores its international importance. This designation recognizes the outstanding universal value of the area's karst landscape and its rich biodiversity. Son Doong is undoubtedly the crown jewel of this park. Its discovery has significantly enhanced the park's global reputation. It attracts researchers, explorers, and a small number of privileged visitors, all drawn by its unparalleled magnificence. It is a place that commands respect. Section 9. Echoes in the Darkness, a call to cherish our wonders. Son Doong Cave stands as a profound reminder. It reminds us of the incredible beauty and complexity that our planet holds, often in the most unexpected places. Its discovery was a gift. It expanded our understanding of what natural wonders can exist beneath our very feet. The echoes that bounce off its colossal walls are not just sound waves. They are echoes of geological time, of nature's patient artistry, and of the enduring power of the wild. We must listen to these echoes. The pristine condition of Son Doong, so carefully guarded, offers a valuable lesson. It shows that it is possible to explore and appreciate our world's treasures without destroying them. The commitment to limited, responsible tourism and strong conservation efforts serves as a model. It is a model for how we should approach other fragile environments. The future of such wonders depends entirely on our choices and our actions today. We are the current custodians of these irreplaceable places. As we learn more about Son Doong and other incredible natural formations, our responsibility grows. It is our duty to protect these places not just for their scientific or aesthetic value, but for their intrinsic worth. They are part of the rich tapestry of life on Earth. They inspire humility and a deep respect for the natural processes that have shaped our world over countless millennia. Preserving them is preserving a part of ourselves, our curiosity, and our capacity for wonder. Let the story of Son Doong inspire us all. Let it encourage us to look closer at the world around us, to appreciate its hidden marvels, and to champion their protection. There are still discoveries to be made, wonders to be unveiled, but with each discovery comes the profound responsibility to cherish and preserve. Son Doong is more than just a cave. It is a symbol of hope, a testament to nature's grandeur, and a call to action for all humanity to safeguard our precious natural heritage for all generations to come.